critical alert is currently in effect, demanding your immediate attention. We stand on the precipice of danger, facing a menace that transcends galaxies, none other than the intergalactic cheese. This formidable adversary is not to be trifled with. It poses a grave threat to all who dare to partake. I implore you, heed this warning. Do not succumb to its allure. To disregard this caution is to invite dire consequences upon yourself. For those who dare to defy this command, the unthinkable awaits: assimilation into the very essence of the cheese itself. Imagine, if you will, losing yourself to its siren call, your identity melting away until there is nothing left but an eternal bond with the cheese. But fear not, for you possess the power to resist. Steel your resolve against the temptation that lingers in its aroma, the temptation that dances upon your taste buds, the temptation that beckons from its mesmerizing appearance. Take a stand against the allure of fleeting pleasure, and ask yourself, is it truly worth sacrificing everything you hold dear? In this moment of reckoning, let not curiosity nor temptation lead you astray. Embrace your strength and choose wisely. The fate of your existence hangs in the balance. Will you yield to the cheese, or will you stand firm and defy its tantalizing grasp?